Sexy and
Say hello to Fusion Fight Girls, sponsored by GoDaddies. That is Sydney. Thank you, Sydney. All right. Fighter to my right, by way of Billings Grindhouse, he comes all the way from Kyrgyzstan. That's right, Kyrgyzstan. He's got a record of 0-1, but don't let that fool you. He's 20 years old, 5'7". He is 135 pounds. He is Merlin Barnabekov. This fighter to my left was here last year and had an exciting fight. He's got a record of 4-1. He's 20 years old. He's 5'7" and 145 pounds. He is from Lodge Grass, Montana, Brock Miklovich. Watch this one close, everybody. This is a good match. That is a great takedown by Brock. Even though Merlin's lighter, he's very strong. He reversed it. Knees to the body. Brock's back on top. He's in the guard though. Merlin's working those nasty kicks from the bottom. Those take their toll. Brock's working to clear his head. It's going to be a very technical fight. This one could go either way. Let's give Brock a round of applause, man. That was an awesome fight. His opponent, the winner, Merlin Barnabekov.